Alrighty, so Clefo or Clefo's Notes is the game. Let's give this a go then. So this was made by Gilokk for the HonestDanGames 3. And hi Wendell as well. Hello. Okay, so some nice art as well. I think you did all the art as well, right? Alright, let's get going then. Oh! For me it's a little loud. Okay, I'm just making sure there's no time limit. Pause escape key. Oh no. Okay, wait there. I just wanted to have a look in this volume mixer, take it down a little bit. Good bop though. Ah, listen, is that jazz flute I hear? Okay, so the font at the top is really hard to read. Just something to be aware of. But okay, so we got to collect clefs, ghosts, and notes. So clefs are the curly symbols, if I remember correctly, right? Sorry, I realise you can't see where my arm is pointing. So clefs are the kind of curly symbols, and then you have the normal notes, and then the ghosts are the things that are jiggling their butts, the music, I guess. Okay, so let's have a look then. So is it arrow keys? Oh, if I press escape to pause, maybe that... No. What keys am I using to move? Oh, click. It's clicking. Okay. So I can click. No, hang on. I did click. It said drag, did it? Did I miss... drag the character? Ah, Brill. Sorry that I missed that bit. So you kind of click in front. So am I meant to be getting the ghosts, I assume? Okay, so let's go back around here. Vacuum all these things up. Sometimes I do think, what would it be like to be a robot Hoover? And right now I'm getting that little bit of a sensation. Maybe I dreamed of being a robot Hoover, you could say. Yeah, the grey font at the top is difficult to read, but regardless. All it's saying is how to pause and quit as well. Yeah, it's a weird way to control that I've got to click on them and then they move wherever the mouse is going. Oh, is the donation bar still up? You can turn that off. You can turn it off. It's an extension. Right, rather than me interrupting this game, I'll turn it off afterwards. We're still raising money if anyone does donate today, so I didn't want to get rid of everything. Anyway, right. So we just got to collect all of it. I'm guessing this is like everything we're collecting here, right? Yeah, so yeah, the control scheme feels a little odd. I like the character, it's cool though. The background, when I move back and forth, is a bit trippy. Okay, but I think we're getting there, right? This should be it. Okay, we did it. We did it. We collected everything. Ha! So, Gilokk, what was the motivation for this? But if you collect only all of the notes, it ends. Oh, right. Okay. So with the other thing, you need to collect everything, but you don't actually have to. You don't have to get all of the other ones. I get what you're saying. So yeah, what was the inspiration for you with this? Oh no, it's nice. The main. So I like the art for this. I like the characters' art as well. The main thing that was tricky was moving. I tried WSAD, I tried arrow keys, and then I tried clicking, and I accidentally moved once, and then couldn't do it again. So I think the key here, yeah, I think it said somewhere that you need to click and hold, but it's still a little bit peculiar. And this background, if I'm staring at it when I'm moving around, it kind of plays with my eyes quite a bit as well. But you could say that's in line with the theme of Dream, I guess, right? I wanted to use an OC I made for Lumpy Touch. Ah! That's fair. So OC is original character, this person, right? It's a magic eye picture. Yeah, I know what you mean, Jay. It's a train. I think I see a train. Yeah, the pause does work. It does work. Clefo Nottingham was the name of your character you made for that. Oh, that's cool that you could remake. You could use it in a jam. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So cool. So I'm really glad that you got back into using Godot, and it was the first time since 2019, I think you said, since you'd used it to make a game. So it was a great excuse for you to try and remember everything. It'll make you feel like that little bit more fresh as well. If you want to take part in another jam or work on another project as well, Gilokk. So thank you so much for your game submission. What we're going to do is I'm just going to quickly leave a comment. There's two places you can leave a comment, right? You can do it on the itch page, but also you can go ahead and do it on this page here. So it's tricky to know what's the right one to write comments on. I think I'll probably just do it on this page. Thanks for the submission. I like the art on the main character. It was cool to hear that you integrated some art you may done for a lumpy touch quilt piece into a game. Hopefully it won't be another 2 years now until you use Godot again. And I was going to say as well that the only tricky thing for me was the controls. They weren't super intuitive, but it was fine once I understood how to control it. Cool. Explains the controls in the story in the description. Oh, did I miss that bit? All right, let's go and quickly have a little peep, shall we? I should be looking at descriptions, shouldn't I? Okay. Drag Clefo with your mouse to move him so you can collect close goals and notes. It also works with a keyboard or controller, but it works better with a mouse. Okay, I didn't get it to work with the keyboard. The screenshot is what little story was going to be in the game. Okay. It was all a dream. Gilokk, I did say that's a great way to get yourself on point with the theme, is at the end. You just say that. Okay. Sleep? What? Brill. I'm glad you went for that. He goes to bed with his plushies. He's falls asleep and awakes in a dream where he has to collect all his plushies counterparts. By collecting most of it, you just need to collect all the notes for the game to end. He wakes up and goes on with his merry life. There we go. That makes sense. They're on the bed as well. Thank you for pointing that out. Yeah, apology. I didn't notice it first time. I was just going to try it with the arrow keys again because it really didn't. Oh, what? Now it works. I promised I'd try pressing them. I promised I did. Anyway, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Let's go ahead and write down our get this done as well. The notes on the game page, the story, and like controls were helpful. Just in case someone else sees that and they know then to check. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Alrighty, so we got that done. Thank you very much for submitting it. That was Gilokk's game, ladies and gentlemen. If you play it yourself and you want to go and write a comment to give some feedback, feel free to go ahead and do so.